Hello everyone and welcome to Veganise Anything. Today we will take a look at Japanese cuisine, as we will be veganizing Tamagoyaki, the famous Japanese rolled omelette. For starters, we will add about 500 grams of tofu in a blender. Followed by 1 clove garlic and 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Blend until smooth. Open it up, add about 50 milliliters water, and blend again until smooth. Now, transfer the mixture into a mixing bowl. Add half a cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon black salt, 1.5 tablespoon nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon mirin, which is subtly sweet Japanese rice wine, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a cup vegan cream, or you can use coconut cream as well, quarter of a cup sliced spring onions, add a pinch of sugar, and mix everything properly together. When it's nice and smooth, we will need a flat pan. Non-stick is ideal, as you won't need to use any oil, or very little. Set the stove to medium-high and start placing your mixture onto the pan. Try to form a nice rectangular shape out of it. And pan fry it for approximately 2 minutes, or until it hardens and changes color a little bit. Now, place a nori sheet over your pancake, flatten it to make sure it's firmly stuck to it, and continue pan frying it for another minute. Now, grab one end of your pancake and slowly roll it into an omelette. Amazing! Our first tamagoyaki is finished. Now repeat the process with all the remaining mixture. Now grab a cling film, place it onto a flat surface or a chopping board and start wrapping your tamagoyakis in it. When you've wrapped them all, grab a knife and cut them into equal pieces. And obviously, don't forget to remove the cling film. We will be serving our tamagoyaki with grated radish. For this, we will need a nice big white radish, which is called daikon or mooli. And our journey to the Far East has successfully come to an end. Plate up your tamagoyaki, place the grated radish on the side of it, and pour a drizzle of light soy sauce over it. All you need now is a pair of chopsticks and enjoy your beautiful fresh veganized tamagoyaki. And you can also have it as breakfast side dish or add it to your bento. And this is it. We hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to give it a like if you did. Engage in a conversation down below if you want to leave us a comment. You can also subscribe for more videos like this. And as always, don't forget, you can veganize anything. Thank you for watching and see you next week.